In this video, you'll learn how to use AI chat to build apps in Base44. By following these steps, you will be able to create your own applications efficiently using artificial intelligence. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website. You can do this by entering the URL into your browser. Once the page loads, look for the option that states Start Building displayed on the home page, making it easy to locate on the home page, making it easy to locate. Next, click on Start Building. After you click this button, you will be redirected to a new page where you can begin the app creation process. Ensure that you wait for the new page to fully load before proceeding to the next step. Once you are on the new page, find the section labeled, What will you build today? Click on this prompt to continue. This action will allow you to specify the type of application you wish to create, guiding the AI in the process. After clicking, you will see a text box that prompts you to describe your app idea. You can either type your own idea here or explore the available templates for inspiration. If you choose to use a template, click on the relevant option to view it. Next, if you wish to select a recent project, you will see options for previously worked on apps. Click on the project you want to revisit. This will load the previous work, allowing you to build upon it or modify it as needed. Now locate and click on the AI chat feature. This is usually found on the side panel of the app building interface. Activating the AI chat will enable you to interact with the AI, asking questions or requesting specific features for your app. Once the chat is open, type in the details or features you desire for your app. Be as specific as possible to ensure the AI understands your requirements clearly. After entering your request, review them to confirm they accurately reflect your vision. If you want additional help or suggestions, you can click on the Suggestions button. This will provide you with AI-generated ideas that you can incorporate into your... After you have provided all necessary inputs, wait for the app to generate. This process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your requests and the current load on the AI system. A loading indicator may appear during this time. Once the app has been successfully created, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your app is ready. At this point, you can explore your new application, make further adjustments, or start the testing phase. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.